Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn photosynthesis.
Dear students, we depend on plants for most of food requirement. But what about plant? Where do they get food? Well, plant make their own food in the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. Let's learn more about this process. Plants make food in their leaves by the process of photosynthesis using raw materials like sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. These raw materials are supplied to them from different sources. Carbon dioxide is supplied by air, while water is taken up by the roots from the soil. The energy to prepare food comes from the sun. Now, once these raw materials have been supplied to the leaves, they need to be absorbed by them to make food for the plant. There are various features in the leaves and plants that help them in performing various functions to make food. Let's look at these features in detail. The leaves of a plant are arranged in such a manner that each one of them can trap sunlight. The structure of a leaf is flat and thin. This enables the sun's rays to easily penetrate and reach the inner layer of the leaf, where the process of photosynthesis takes place. Plants can also prepare food in the presence of artificial light. Light is captured by the chlorophyll pigment present in the leaves. Leaves and photosynthesis. The cells of green leaves and young stems of plant contain numerous green color structure called chloroplast. The green color is because of the presence of green color pigment called chlorophyll. It is this chlorophyll that helps trap the energy of sunlight. Carbon dioxide from the air reach the plant cell through tiny pores called stomata. Stomata are tiny opening present mostly on underside of the leaves. The leaves take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen through this stomata. Now, let's see what is the role of roots in photosynthesis. Plant absorb water from the soil through root and root hairs. This water along with the minerals is transported to the leaves through special tube known as xylem vessels. These vessels form a continuous network of tubes that spread in the roots, stem, branches and leaves. The process of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis starts with the trapping of sunlight by chlorophyll. Sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll and a chemical reaction takes place in the chloroplast in which carbon dioxide and water are converted into food in the form of glucose. It is this glucose which provides energy to the plants. Oxygen is released in this process. The process can be represented by the equation carbon dioxide plus water present of chlorophyll and sunlight will give glucose plus oxygen. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis has a direct relation with the survival of all living beings on the earth. The process of photosynthesis that involves the taking in of carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen enable the sustenance of living beings. Oxygen is the most essential requirement for all living beings to breathe and survive, and this requirement is met by the photosynthesis process in plant. Beside supplying oxygen, it also provides food to all the living beings. Dear students, we have seen certain leaves which are not green in color. Does this mean that they do not prepare food through photosynthesis? Or does it mean that chlorophyll pigment is not always green in color? So, dear students, it is not necessary that leaves containing chlorophyll will always be green in color. Sometimes there are certain red, brown and other colored pigments that are present in large quantities. These pigments makes the green color of chlorophyll. Photosynthesis, however, takes place in such leaves too. The appearance of different color patches in leaves is known as variegation.